Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Today we're going to be testing the Westinghouse 3700. I've done this review. You guys seen this unboxing. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and check it out. You got your model number, 120 volt generator, 3,700 starting, 3,000 running. Let's see what this generator can run. I'm going to be hooking it up to my RV. It's a 50 amp RV. We're going to be using an adapter to get it down to 50 amp and my monitor so we can see what we're running. I am going to be doing a dB test. I'm going to do it on eco mode and at full load. All right guys, let's get this test started. First, let's get the generator started, then we'll connect our power. Full start. Turn the fuel on. Okay guys, one thing I really love about this generator are these lights, these working lights on both sides. So like I said, I've done the review on this generator. If you want to get a closer look, go ahead and check that video out. We're going to be using the 30 amp 3-pin. Okay guys, there you go. Getting right about 122 volts. Pulling 350 watts. That's my battery charger, 4.9 amps. Alright. Absolutely beautiful. This thing at night, guys, looks so perfect. It lights up all in front of the generator. So if you're out camping and using something like this, you have no problem walking outside to your generator. It does attract a little more attention than it should, but it's an awesome looking generator. Okay, it's in eco mode. Let's get a quick dB test. Right about 20 feet from here. $57 dBs. Okay, let's get inside. Let's turn on one AC, and then we'll see if it do one AC and the microwave. Okay guys, we're inside the RV. Let's turn every light on. Okay, all lights on. One thing I forgot to mention, always turn the refrigerator on first. I try to make this test as just like how you would be doing it in your RV. Okay, look at that. Pure sine wave. Okay, so we have the refrigerator running. Let's see if we could do the refrigerator and our microwave. I already have some water in here. 1 minute on the microwave. All right. So we're pulling 1,900. That's a little over half. Let's do a 50% dB test. There you go, guys. Right about 61. Right about 62 dBs at 50%. That's the refrigerator and the microwave. Let's see if it will run both ACs and the refrigerator. Got both ACs on. One AC on. Can you run two ACs with the Westinghouse 3700? Sounds good. Second AC coming online. Pulling right about 2,300. We still have a little bit left, so you can run two ACs. So you're right at 100% right there, running watts. Let's do a dB test. Lowest I got was 63.4 with 2 ACs and the refrigerator. 2 ACs and a refrigerator. Even with the refrigerator and 2 ACs running, my front AC and my back AC, they're both 13.5 BTU AC. They both have soft starts. If you're going to be running your AC on generator, you probably should consider soft starts. Or you're going to run one AC. Clean, pure sine wave. Never dropped. Absolutely perfect. Okay, let's turn the ACs off. And the refrigerator off. Okay guys, so I showed you the conventional way, doing everything like you're supposed to do. Now it's time to overload this generator. Let's see how high we can get it. So we're gonna run the refrigerator, 2 ACs, and the stovetop. Turn the AC back, the refrigerator back on. I'm gonna turn both ACs on. Get some water going. On the stove. You guys, we got some water on the stove. First AC came on. That second AC is coming online right now. Second AC should be starting. Got a little drop. Okay, so we have the refrigerator, 2 ACs. Let's turn on that stove. All right, overload time. All right, there you go. The voltage is really low, so I'm gonna be turning it off. Yep, there you go. Overloaded. Just what you want. Generator should shut off and protect itself. Let's go inside and turn all the loads off. Okay guys, so once your generator overloads, before you hit that reset button, unplug your generator. So make sure you pull the plug out now. Push that button, push the red button reset, and you're back online. All right guys, there you go. I hope you like this test of the Westinghouse 3700. You see I went all the way. I had 2 AC, refrigerator, and the stovetop, overloaded it. So if you just want to run 2 AC, I have, like I said, 13,500 BTU ACs. We self-start. It did it fine. So you can run 2 ACs and your refrigerator. And that's typical. And all the lights. You have another 700 watts. You could probably turn on 2 TVs, and this thing would handle it like a champ. All right, so Westinghouse 3700, that's a pass. Once you overloaded it, the voltage did go down to about 104. That's not good, but the good thing is it did shut itself off. If it did not shut off, I would have been really worried about that, but it took care of that. It shut off. Your overload protection does work. All right guys, thanks for watching this quick review of the Westinghouse 3700 on the RV. Slick, real nice generator. I wish it was just a little bit quieter. It is a little louder than normal. Usually they run a little 62. Guys, thanks for watching this video of the Westinghouse 3700 RV test. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.